Hello, it's Dawn McPhee from Dawn's Inspirations. I wanted to share this project with you. But if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, press the subscribe button and you'll see all sorts of videos, whether they're online workshops, freebie tutorials, tips and techniques, they're all there for you. But today I wanted to share this with you. About 10 years ago now, I did a project called 3 Minis in a Box. And I used Teresa Collins double-sided pattern paper because it was really strong and sturdy. Anyway, I've revamped it. I've updated it. So this is the new edition of the 3 Minis in a Box. This time it's made with card. So you've got the card as your base, but you can then add your pattern papers. So the measurements are slightly different to accommodate that. That's the first thing. But everything is, different page styles, which I will show you in a minute. The other thing that's the new addition about the workshop as well is you can choose to do it in centimetres, you can choose to do it in inches. You choose the measurement you prefer to work with. The workshop has 7 videos and printable PDFs with cutting and scoring guides, so you will have them there. You've just got to choose which measurement you prefer to work in. But let me show you what you're going to get. So you've got your lovely little presentation box to start with, and then inside here you've got 3 different mini albums. So centimetres wise, they all measure the same, which is going to be 11 centimetres by 14.5 centimetres. And if you're doing the inches version works out at, let me get the other way around, it works out at 5 3/4 inches by 4 1/4 inches. All 3 books, the outside measurements are the same. They are all different styles, so they look lovely together, but you can quite easily gift them as individual books because each style is different. So let me share with you. So let's start with book 1. So this is book 1. So a little quick walkthrough. You've got photo mats, lots of spaces to add photographs. You've got flips and flaps as well, places for journaling, places for photographs, nice big photograph places in there with pockets. So you've got a little pocket as well, so extra spaces to add memorabilia if you wish. So just great little minis. I just loved making these, and that's why I wanted to redo it again with some cardstock and the pattern papers. So this is the first of the mini albums. This is album 1, and this would hold 22 photographs. So it's massive, isn't it? Might be little, but it's mighty. This is album 2. So inside here we've got little waterfall flaps, or book page flaps as I call them. But then we open this up and you've got lots and lots of places to add photographs, do your journaling. It's just superb. And then the same on the back, you've got that extra little book fold flap. So that is book 2. And then book 3, again, might be little, but gets a lot in it. Oh, I forgot to say to you, in book 2 you can get 18 photographs. In book 3 we've got big pockets, so we've got these nice big photo mats in here. So this is what I've tried to do. I've tried to not have the photo mats too small. You've got big spaces for adding those photographs. You've got more pockets, so great for those photo mats, but there's also a little bit of room there. You could put some extra memorabilia if you wish. So another nice mini, lots of pockets. So this is album 3, and album 3 holds 10 photographs. So overall, at the 3 minis, you can hold 50 photographs, which I think is fabulous. So they work brilliantly in the presentation box, or gift them on their own as different little minis. But let me go back to the first one again. So this is it. I've done it this time that you can choose inches or centimetres. By changing your pattern paper, you're just giving this a totally different look. Okay, so same many, different papers. So this is going to be a project you are going to come back to time and time again, because by changing the papers you can change the occasion. And that's what I just love about adding different papers to different projects. I've not pigeonholed it as you've got to do this. So that's the nice thing about it. So the videos, as I said, you've got 7 videos, whether you're working in inches or centimetres. So the 7 videos are album 1, construction, album 1, decoration, album 2, construction, album 2, decoration, album 3, construction, album 3, decoration, and lastly, presentation box, construction, decoration. So 7 videos. You can watch as many times as you like when you purchase the online workshop. You'll have your PDF cutting and scoring guides as well. Your print off instructions. You've got everything there. You can watch it as many times as you like when you like. That is the beauty of it. So this is my new edition, 3 minis in a presentation box. I look forward to seeing you on the workshop very soon. Bye for now.